I am pleased to introduce BuildingLens, human-centric clean tech services. At BuildingLens, we believe the key in saving energy isn't automation, limitation, or even technology. It's you, it's us, it's people. And with that, I'm going to start with the people at BuildingLens. I am David Birchfield, a professional engineer and a certified energy manager. I have over 10 years of experience in the energy efficiency industry. I have evolved from a buildings controls application engineer to standing up and leading a successful energy efficiency company, Birch Energy Services. Paul has 30 years of experience in scaling energy efficiency software as a service. I've worked with Paul for 10 years. He has participated in 3 successful exits. Dr. Juru has 20 plus years of experience in building science. I've worked with Tashome since my junior year at Oregon Tech. He was my professor. Tashome and I have been in business for the last 3 years. He leads Birch Energy's engineering efforts. Bao Tran is the newest to the family, but his importance cannot be understated. His experience in IP protection is crucial to scale BuildingLens successfully. Considering our current experience together, feel confident in our ability to solve problems. The problem is, air quality and energy management are not cost-effective for small commercial buildings. In the United States since 1988, the magnitude of area burned by wildfires is increasing at a rate of 180,000 acres per year. Wildfires emit particulate matter that cause respiratory and central nervous diseases. In 2020, tons of particulate matter were thrown into the atmosphere from the catastrophic fires on the West Coast. We couldn't even see across the street. And to exacerbate the issue with our built environment, our small commercial buildings are known for wasteful energy use. 95% of our buildings in the United States are under 100,000 square feet. If we consider only 10% of their energy use as waste, then we are wasting $33 billion and adding 780 million metric tons of unnecessary pollution to our atmosphere every year. The solution is BuildingLens, a cloud-based monitoring and management software as a service that prioritizes human health to save energy in buildings. We offer 3 services, and the order matters. AirLens automatically mitigates the threat of poor air quality in buildings due to wildfire smoke and respiratory public health threats. EnergyLens automatically enforces energy-efficient building operations. And the Album Suite, big data analytics plus building supervisory controls equal the tools of the clean energy future. In 2020, Birch Energy won a grant in partnership with the University of Oregon. Then I reached out to Paul Birch to help us with the software architecture. We got together to design a solution that addresses the nexus between sustainable indoor environments and energy efficient operations. The output of our efforts were solidified in March 2022 with the formation of BuildingLens. Our differentiators are clear. We have ongoing relationships and projects with the utilities in Oregon. Our ecosystem is primed and ready. The Portland Clean Energy Fund is directly aimed at climate justice that serve my childhood communities. Oregon laws are expediting our evolution to a clean energy economy. The federal infrastructure and IRA bills are also contributing to opportunities in the Northwest, and when we are successful, our intellectual property will be protected with 2 patents. Our minimal viable product is AirLens, automatically mitigating the threat of poor air quality in buildings due to wildfire smoke and respiratory public health threats. Below is a view of the AirLens summary report from a live site in BuildingLens. Weather data on the left, air pollution in the middle, and county-level COVID-19 positivity rates on the right. We have bidirectional communication and control of IoT devices and building management systems. We are self and grant funded, directly working with 2 building control vendors and 2 IoT manufacturers. Our beta version will be available January 2023. The purpose of AirLens is to protect the people. AirLens has 6 algorithms that provide the highest quality air available to the occupants. This is accomplished by connecting to web-based facility controls and edge devices like Ecobee, Nest, or a smart thermostat. The process on the right is a simple illustration of how BuildingLens works. First, we monitor outdoor and public health data. Second, we monitor indoor air quality, airflow, HVAC, and energy use. Third, if a threat is detected, BuildingLens automatically overrides ventilation equipment by controlling the building management system or edge devices. If there is no threat, it is normal building operations. The BuildingLens customer journey begins with prioritizing people. For example, Jamal runs a small business and leases a small commercial building. Jamal installed a building management system, but he does not understand how to manage it. It is complex and confusing, and he has a business to run. This is where BuildingLens comes in. For $60 a year, we offer to protect Jamal's employees with BuildingLens, increasing their productivity and Jamal's bottom line, all while collecting operational data from his building. On average, there are 150 data points per building, averaging to about 200,000 data entries per day per building. Through the data we've collected, we offer Jamal BuildingLens, true energy savings based on Jamal's energy use. We are testing this process at our 3 pilot sites displayed below: a video studio, a church, and a small hospital. Over the next 4 years, BuildingLens evolves into a public asset driven by impact. BuildingLens is our premier product that prioritizes people. BuildingLens is about the people and the planet, reducing utility costs for the end user and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions for the world. The Album Suite, a package of services that will expedite utility demand-side management, decreasing program management costs up to 80%. BuildingLens adds value to communities by bridging the gap in a fragmented market. On the left is a table showing clean energy companies and the value that BuildingLens will add. For small building control vendors and IoT manufacturers, we help them sell more products and add value to their control systems. For utility consultant firms, we help them have more impact with the programs they manage and help them reach their energy savings goals. But the real competition is market inertia. 85% of small buildings have no building management system. Customer discovery themes are clear. Tech in the market is complex and confusing. Facility management is not a priority. The people need a turnkey solution. BuildingLens minimal viable product will be available January 2023. We are looking for $1 million for a 1-year runway. Funds will be used for perfecting BuildingLens, developing BuildingLens, utility marketing, and applying for grants and non-dilutive funds. The milestones on the right will be our purpose for 2023, and when we are successful, we'll be ready for the next round of investment. Thank you for your attention.